Hello friends, today I am going to show you the Spigen Galaxy Note 9 Ultra Hybrid case. This case is a military grade case. I don't think that you can throw away the phone inside here and throw it and play catch. That's not like that. It's military grade. It means that if you drop it from your hand, the phone will not get hurt. So it has got an air cushion technology, like these places of the case have some kind of air technology, like when the phone hits below, then it will directly doesn't hit this area, rather than it has some space. So it is called air cushion technology. So let me get this phone aside and open this up. Here we go. So we get the case here. What else? Nothing else. So let me put this aside. So as you can see here, this is the case, and this case. So this case back is hard TPU material, and the sides are soft TPU material, and you can see here I can bend this, but it is a good thing. And about the air cushion technology, here you can see this. Can you see this? Yeah, let me focus it up much closer. 1 second. Let me show you properly. Yes, can you see this? Yeah. Yes, this is the air cushion technology that we are talking about. Like when the phone will hit like this here on the below, then it has a tab to resist the force rather than hitting the sides of the phone. So let's go ahead and push this phone inside here. So we need to, okay, takes a little bit tighter, and it's done. So you can check it out. You can check out your phone on the back. The clear, you can show off your phone's design and color. I bought the blue one because I have the blue model, and the sides blue match with the phone. You can get the transparent one, but the transparent I don't like. I would recommend to go with the colored one, because here the air cushion technology is hidden. Like you have the plain here, but on the transparent one you will be able to see the air cushion technology here. That is not that much good, and it's quite nice. The buttons are working fine. Also, let me show you the volume rocker are working fine. Even I can push out my pencil. Yeah, the S Pen is also working fine, because if you don't have the nice space here, then you won't be able to take it out. The speakers have nice cutout here. The mic has a cutout here, and 3.5 headphone jack. Also the USB-C here. We do have another microphone cutout here, and nicely done with the fingerprint. This has a nice slope here, so when you rest your finger here, you can use it very nicely. I will show you on the side. Yes, as you can see here. So because we do have the function to use it, the notification bar and all. So this is the Spigen case that I was talking about earlier. I always talk about Spigen cases. I don't know why, but I like Spigen cases. They make good cases. So I will show you one more thing. When you keep this phone like this, face down, you have the space here. Like how will I show you? Let me show you in this way. If I put the phone down here, so you can see there is a gap here. Let me zoom it up and I'll show you. You can see here there is a gap here. Let me switch this phone on. See, there is a gap here. So this gap helps out. If you drop your phone often on your face down, then don't worry about scratching away your screen, because these are slightly raised up, so it will keep your phone up and it will not scratch up your phone, like see. So that's all my friends. Thank you for watching. If you want, go ahead and buy this. It costs around 1200 rupees and it is very nice. I love Spigen products. They make good cases, they make good tempered glass. You can go ahead and check out Spigen.in or Spigen.com. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.